Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most enduring and versatile fighter jets in the world, of the F-16 Fighting Falcon, now upgraded and ready for 2026. Originally introduced in the 1970s, the F-16 has seen more than 4 decades of evolution, and the latest 2026 variant continues that legacy with groundbreaking enhancements. Known for its agility, affordability, and multi-role capabilities, the F-16 has been a cornerstone of many air forces worldwide. Now, with the Block 7072 updates, it's more powerful and more lethal than ever. So, what makes the 2026 F-16 stand out in a world filled with 5th-generation jets? For starters, it's equipped with the advanced APG-83 AESA radar. This gives the jet superior target detection, tracking, and engagement capabilities. Whether it's air-to-air or air-to-ground missions, this radar significantly boosts situational awareness and mission effectiveness. Under the hood, the 2026 F-16 boasts upgraded mission systems, enhanced cockpit displays, and advanced electronic warfare capabilities. The cockpit features a large, higher-resolution center display, giving pilots real-time data in a much more intuitive format. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a digital leap forward. The new F-16 also integrates better communication systems and data links, making it a key player in modern network-centric warfare. That means seamless integration with drones, AWACS, and other platforms are crucial in today's joint combat environments. One of the major improvements is in survivability. With improved radar warning receivers and countermeasure systems, the 2026 F-16 is better equipped to avoid threats and survive contested airspace. It may not be stealthy, but it sure is smart. Perhaps the most compelling feature of this jet is its cost-effectiveness. While nations chase expensive 5th-gen fighters, the new F-16 offers near-peer capabilities at a fraction of the price. That's why countries like Taiwan, Slovakia, and Bahrain are investing heavily in this platform. In 2026, the F-16 is no relic. It's a battle-hardened legend reborn, ready to dominate the skies with cutting-edge upgrades and unmatched versatility. That's the spirit of the Fighting Falcon, a proven, powerful, and far from finished. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this dive into the F-16's 2026 upgrades, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we explore more icons of aviation.